Say hello. Hello.
Say hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
How are you, man?
So as you can see, I'm right here in the local community with the local people. I just came here to experience that local
What
vibe.
are they, man?
Yeah, I came here just to wash some
Hey,
clothes.
tor bol English bad de.
Yesterday,
Yeah.
another local. I was speaking to another local, and I told him that I want to come to this community to wash some laundry, and I want that local experience because I can easily pay some money and take it to the shop and laundry shop and someone wash it for me. But I thought, you know what, as I'm in Bangladesh, I might as well experience the local living, how everyone does things. I don't want to feel like here like a tourist. I want to feel that local vibe, I suppose. So I was lucky enough to find this family. They were willing to help me and told me to come, and they'll be able to help me to wash my own clothes as well, and I'll be washing it with them. So yeah, so I'm here with them. I'm just waiting for the water room to be free so I can go in there and wash some clothes. Yeah, it's kind of busy and hectic here, but again, this is kind of the local experience that I was after, and it's a pleasure to be able to experience it.
That is one piece.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, I just confirmed that it was alright for me to be here, and everyone said, yeah, it's completely fine for me to be here, so I don't think it should be an issue. But again, I just want to say, I just want to wash a few clothes, just experience the local life, how locals wash the clothes. I know it'd be very easy for me to come here just to go to the laundry shop and give my clothes there and let them wash it for me and I pay them some money. But I feel this is more of a unique experience that I might not ever experience again, especially here in Bangladesh. So while I'm here, I might as well take the opportunity and watch how locals wash their clothes, and I'll be washing my clothes just like the locals. So yeah, it's a privilege to be here, and I'm happy enough that they're able to help me with it. So let's get going.
Okay. These are for soap, saban.
Put soap inside. So now, hey, help me. Do you want?
Saban.
Show me. Okay. Show me. Okay. So now. Finish?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Ready, go! তুমি কিন্তু সামনে গেছে
Yes.
many, many. শ্যাম্পু দাও শ্যাম্পু হ্যাঁ তুই এর বাচ্চা তুই আমরা মানু দেখছো আমি তোর ব্যাগ Okay, nice.
Then put here.
That is t-shirt, no water.
This is jumper.
Jumper is.
Yes. And many water.
Two men, Russell, by hook like that.
Well, এদিকে তুলি
ব্যস্ত হয়েছে কে তো
আমরা কোনটা
একটা মিনিট খারাপ
Hey,
হাই
hello, bro.
That is cameraman.
What's your name? Your
My name is Ridoy.
Rida. And
Yeah.
your name, everyone name.
My name is Rubel.
That is Chota Rubel. That's for you, my brother of Russell,
Big brother.
big brother Russell. His name is Babu.
Babu.
That is Rakib.
Nice.
Ali. That phone name for Ali. Shakir. That is Dolachan.
Your friend. Palatara.
No. Namko. Huh? That's phone name for Yasin. Namko. Huh? That's name for Samiul. That's name for Munna.
Yes.
Sojip.
Yes. We go. Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Let's go. After
You can
you.
go.
After you.
Hi, sure.
Let's go.
That's for you out now. That's for everybody is here. Everybody is for coming. Rubel,
এক জায়গায় খারাপ তুমি মাঝখানে যাও দাঁড়াবা ঠিক মাঝখানে যাও মাঝখানে যাও আরো যাও আরো যাও
So now, after washing your clothes, we're gonna go and dry it. Just hang it up there. Then after we wait for 2 hours, hopefully it dries quickly. Then after, take it back home. It is clean. So yeah, we've just finished washing the clothes, drying the clothes. I was gonna go and dry it, hang it up over there, but I ended up slipping inside the sewer. And I think there's a bit of a dump in there. There's probably wee inside it. There's probably everything. I mean,
one for picture.
I'll take picture. Yes, everybody. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave my clothes there to dry for maybe 2 hours as it's facing the sun as well. I know it is pretty hectic here. There's so many people. I think everyone here, they're just excited just to see a foreigner, especially a foreigner doing what they do as everyday life. They'll probably find it a bit interesting. And for me, it's interesting as well. And yeah, I'll wait for 2 hours, see, hopefully it dries quickly. And I will need to go home quickly, disinfect my right leg, because my right leg is messed up. So I'll see you in a bit. We're done with the laundry. As you can see, that's completely chaos. It was just mad inside there. So many people came outside to gather. That is definitely something that you need to get used to while in Bangladesh. If you're a foreigner, it's just normal to be surrounded all the time. Like literally, if you stand anywhere, you talk to a local, a bunch of other people will come. But all in all, happy with the experience. seeing how the locals wash the clothes. It's not easy at all. It's really tough. And seeing that, you kind of see how privileged you are to be able to use washing machines and cleaners, or someone else doing it for you, and they're just doing it manually, and it's really tough. It's actually hard work. Yeah, but the thing is, everything was going so well, only until the last moment when I ended up stepping on poop, which was really bad. Now I need to disinfect literally everything. I might need to go there again and wash my jeans and sandals. It was that crazy. But yeah, as you can see behind me, to get into the area that they live in, you need to go through a gate, and everything's literally been boarded off, and it's like a different world once you're in there. As soon as you come back out here, the roads, they're paved, everything's back to normal. Well, back to normal. Anyway, yeah, it's kind of strange because literally they live right behind my apartment block, but for me to get there, it takes maybe 30 minutes because I have to walk all the way around because it's been closed off. I don't know why. But yeah, all in all, this was an amazing experience, and we'll see what else I have planned for tomorrow. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.